fixed your chair. You can lean back finally.
I got a feeling the catch of the day was a six-pack. Some gymnasts stick the landing. Some should stick to volleyball. The younger you start a kid at sports, whoa, the sooner they can quit.
Riley.
Sometimes you can tell from an early age who's going to be a performer and who's going to be a critic.
Hey, you gotta get it up on the side! Hurry up!
I've heard of man overboard, but man underboard? Swans are beautiful, graceful animals, but they sure are grabby.
Come on, Manny, let's go! Hey, Frank.
Incoming, blonde coming. I think the piñata's gonna be the only one with a smile on its face.
Do it! Swing now! Go! Go lower! 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 That's what she said! Lower!
He wants a kiss from that cheerleader. Then he'll have something to cheer about.
Oh, there we go.
He's not on the team, but he's got game.
All right.
Is there such a thing as the unwelcome wagon?
Like last time. I was like, it's just gonna go right over. Oh my god!
So what kick? Do you prefer kick?
Apparently, this karate kid is going for his blonde belt.
That's the way to do it.
Wow, he reminds me of the guy in front of me at the buffet. Hey, Napoleon, share the grub. It is better to be a chihuahua dressed like a boxer than a boxer dressed like a chihuahua. If you're looking for the culprit, you could follow the clues or just follow the string.
Out the door. Out the doggy door. It's Ricky's yard. Little man. Did you do that? Did you do that?
I know he's searching for food, but he might want to throw out that sweater while he's in there. You know, if Pepe had been competing, maybe Michael Phelps wouldn't have won those 8 gold medals. A lot of people are allergic to cats, but do you know what cats are allergic to? Sharing. That syringe is filled with 12 cc's of adorable.
Where you going? Where you going? We'll find it.
He's fine with the real raccoon. It's the stuffed raccoon that freaks him out. Normally, the problem is bird droppings, not birds dropping. I guess even cats get tired of going up and down the stairs. I don't think he wants you to come in because he doesn't want to be seen in that outfit. This cat's gonna make this bear wish he'd hibernated through summer.
He is freaking out over you, Kim. Look at Kim. This is why he is freaking out. Talk to him. I don't. You do it.
Nah.
No. It's okay, Doda. Get up, rub him.
Oh, God.
Rub him, Kim. Hell no. Rub him.
Motorcycles don't go in reverse. Motorcycle riders do. Wow, he is strong. At least stronger than the molding. This tiny pooch is quite a thief, but he needs to work on his getaway.
Oh, he stole the bone! Nice off.
Doc is hurt with his life.
It ain't a toll bridge, but he still pays the price.
Hey, come over here. I think Santa left something for you over here. Come here.
Go over there.
I love these. I don't want a bicycle. I want a lipstick.
Oh, you want a lipstick, not a bicycle?
Hey, bruise it like Beckham. I don't know if that's mac and cheese or mac and Z's. When you ride a tiny dump truck, you take a tiny dump.
Oh, my God. That was great.
This is the first time I've seen a horse with anti-lock brakes.
Wow! Walking? Not Batman? That's okay.
Here they come. They're going to start trotting in a minute.
Oh, who could the cheese?
You have any fleas on you? You have any fleas? You got fleas on you. I know you got fleas. Okay, over there, you don't have no fleas. You don't have no fleas. Okay. I know you don't have no fleas. But I thought I seen a flea. You're stuck. Okay? You're stuck.
You suck.
Give him a big smile, Blakey. Oh, did you hear that?
What the hell is this?
This one's from Mommy. This one's from Grandpa. This one's from the dog catcher.
Thank you. I need a man.
Now, what do you want for Christmas?
I already told you yesterday.
I don't think you can fit under.
A pee-pee.
Apparently, he wants to hang around the pool, but he doesn't want to get his hair wet. The pH level isn't the only thing that needs to be balanced. Get ready for a pool full of pinchers.
He's standing up on his back feet.
She helps him down the slide. He helps her into the pool. How do you go whitewater rafting when you don't live anywhere near whitewater? Oh, sure, it's cool, unless you live downhill. It's either a toy on a rubber string or a projectile weapon.
Dog? No dog. No. Did you see that?
I got that one.
He waited and looked at me. Looked and then he let it go.
Okay, the first time could have been an accident, but how do you explain this?